How to start a free trial of Moz Pro. Moz Pro offers a 30-day free trial for new users, providing access to its comprehensive suite of SEO tools. To begin your trial, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Moz Pro free trial page. Navigate to the official Moz Pro website. Locate the free trial option on the homepage. Step 2. Choose a subscription plan. Select either the standard or medium plan for your trial. Standard plan includes 3 campaigns, 300 keyword rankings, and 150,000 crawled pages per week. Medium plan offers 10 campaigns, 800 keyword rankings, and 500,000 crawled pages per week. Step 3. Create a Moz account. Enter your email address, display name, and password to set up your account. Step 4. Provide billing information. Input your credit or debit card details. Note, you will not be charged during the 30-day trial period. Step 5. Confirm and start your free trial. Review your information and click Start My Free Trial. You will receive a confirmation email with details about your trial. Managing your subscription. To avoid charges, cancel your subscription before the 30-day trial period ends. Log in to your Moz account and navigate to the subscription section. Follow the prompts to cancel your trial. By following these steps, you can explore Moz Pro's features during the free trial period and determine if it aligns with your SEO needs.